Hey everyone, it's Jeannie, and I'm here to finish this eye look for you for the Kendi and Jamie Easter Collab eye look contest. I will be using two different palettes today. I'm going to be using MAC Designer Library, MAC Art Library, it's Designer. The colors are just like the lid. They're bright, pretty, didn't mean to blind y'all. And then my other palette that I'm using is, my hair looks terrible. BH Cosmetics. This is the Modern Matte. It's a 28 matte palette. Very pretty. It's one of my favorites. I like the Art Library just because the colors are a little bit brighter and more vivid. So, alright, first thing I did was I went in with the orange inside the art palette. This is its Designer palette. Can't Afford This is the name of it. And then beside it is bright pink, which I'll go in with that one second. I had a whole Easter egg look on my eye, and then I switched that. So let me kick my hair back out of my way. Alright, so this brush is a tapered. This is my BH Cosmetics number 10. My hands are stained because we just got through dyeing Easter eggs. I had gloves on, but it didn't work and I had to take them off. Okay, so I'm just going in with this Can't Afford This in the crease. Okay, now I'm going, not even cleaning the brush, I'm going straight into the bright pink beside it. Okay, same brush. Now I'm going into the Modern Mattes. And I don't think these have names. Let me look on the back real quick. No, they don't. But I'm going into this lighter pink right there. And with the lighter pink, I'm just continuing up on the eye to kind of give a graduated look. Now into the Can't Afford This orange with a pencil brush. I am putting it just in the crease. I'm going to go up a little bit on the corner. Okay, now back with the BH Cosmetics number 10. I'm going back into the bright pink. Now, if you've ever seen me before, I'm never satisfied. The depth is not quite where I wanted it. Okay, now it's a little, I didn't add any more color on it. Okay. Now I am going into the white that's in the Modern Matte palette, which I already have white going on up at the top of the eye there. Go back So it should be a nice graduation of color going up. Do the green on the, it's designer, and this is called My Child Can, or My Kid Could Make That. Almost got it mixed up with the other one. Okay. So you're probably thinking, why is she using green? Okay. Which is what's on that eye. Because you're like, green, pink, orange, what is she doing? Well, this, now I'm going into the two greens on the bottom row in the Modern Mattes. So put a little more depth in here. Green at the bottom is to represent the grass that you had your Easter eggs in, and then the pink at the top is the actual Easter egg itself, but that's the base part of the shadow down. Okay, now I'm going into ColourPop No Filter Concealer. With I kind of skipped ahead a little bit. I skipped over a part. Okay, we are going to put polka dots on my eye. Partly polka dots are springy, partly because polka dots, I was thinking of my upper eyes as being, I didn't get enough out, the Easter egg itself, and so, you know, I sometimes make polka dotted Easter eggs. Okay, some of these little dots got away from me. Okay, now I am using crystal powder from AOA. It's 1222. I don't know what brand. I mean, I know it's AOA, but I don't know what that stands for, and I apologize. NYX glitter glue. I'm putting it on my little packing brush. Going back into the glitter. I went into the Carbon, which is the silvery metallic that I'm using in the corners of the eyes. M432, it is just a flat. I don't know if it's for eyebrows, if it's eyeliner. I use it to put eyeshadow down like eyeliner. You will see me using regular eyeliner occasionally, but liner, eyeshadow where I don't want it to come down because it's in a little crease there, which even if I put my head down now, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm down almost 40 pounds. So, okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off. I'll put the rest of my eyes on and I will be right back. Alright everyone, here is the finished look that I did for the collab. And it's okay. I was just in a rush. Not a rush, that's not the right word. I shouldn't have said that because I was definitely not in a rush. Alright everyone, here is my look for the collab. This is the eye I did on the camera. This one already done. And both eyelashes are cut exactly the same, but one appears to come down further and the other goes up. But again, I think that has to do with the shape of my eyes, so I apologize. The green is to represent the grass. The pink and the polka dots is the egg that's been decorated. And that is it. So if you don't vote for me, that's fine. But hopefully you'll check out my channel. I guess I can say that. I know that was the kind of the purpose, is to get everybody to see everybody. Hopefully I've got some content that you like. And with that, I love everyone out there, and y'all have a great evening.